This is Bryee Shepard, registered dietitian with the Center for Natural Medicine. In this lesson, we'll break down the basics of nutrition, focusing on macronutrients, micronutrients, and how foods are processed in the body. Understanding these essentials will provide you with the foundational information to build upon in the future. First, let's talk about macronutrients. These are nutrients your body needs in larger amounts, and they provide energy you need to function. There are three main macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy. When you eat carbohydrates like potatoes, rice, or fruits, your body breaks them down into glucose, a type of sugar that fuels your brain, muscles, and organs. Simple carbs like sugar, flour, and fruit juice give quick energy, often spiking blood sugar, while complex carbs like sweet potatoes, beans, lentils, and quinoa offer more lasting energy and are much less likely to spike blood sugar. Proteins are the building blocks of your body. They help repair tissues, make hormones, and support your immune system. Proteins come from both animal sources like meats and eggs, and plant sources like beans and lentils. When you eat protein, it's broken down into amino acids that your body uses for growth and repair. Fats are often misunderstood, but they're essential for health. Fats provide long-term energy, help absorb vitamins, and protect your organs. Healthy fats like those from avocados, nuts, and olive oil are key. Your body breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol, which are then used for energy and cell repair. Let's move on to micronutrients. These are vitamins and minerals that you need in smaller amounts but are just as important. Micronutrients don't provide energy directly, but they help your body perform vital functions like keeping your bones strong, supporting your immune system, and converting food into energy. Vitamins are organic compounds and each has a specific role. For example, vitamin C boosts immunity, while vitamin D helps absorb calcium for strong bones. Minerals are inorganic elements, like calcium, which supports bone health, and iron, which helps carry oxygen in your blood. You can get most of these micronutrients by eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and lean proteins. Let's dive into how your body actually breaks down the foods you eat. The process starts in your mouth, where chewing and saliva begin breaking down food into smaller pieces. As you swallow, food moves through the esophagus into the stomach, where the stomach acids and enzymes break it down even further, turning it into a semi-liquid form called chyme. From the stomach, chyme moves into the small intestine, where the magic happens. That is, most digestion and nutrient absorption. Here, digestive enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are converted into simple sugars like glucose, which is absorbed into the bloodstream to provide energy. Proteins are broken down into amino acids, which are absorbed and used for tissue repair and building muscle. Fats are emulsified by bile and broken down into fatty acids and glycerol, which are absorbed and stored for long-term energy. Once the nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream, they're transported to the cells for energy, growth, and repair. Any undigested food moves into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and waste is eventually eliminated. Let's review. Macronutrients provide the energy and materials your body needs for growth and repair, while micronutrients keep everything running smoothly. Understanding how your body breaks down and processes food gives you the knowledge to make balanced, informed dietary choices that support your health.